Fourth problem, a well of diameter 14 meter is dug 15 meter deep. So there is a well whose diameter is 14 meter. Diameter means the line which is passing through the center, and it is 14 meter. The height, that is the deep, the depth of the well is 15 meter. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly to form circular embankment all around the wall of width 7 meters. So the earth or the soil which is taken out, it is spread around the well so that it is forming a circular platform. The width of that platform is 7 meter. So we have to find the height of the embankment. So we don't know the height of that platform. That's why let us find out the height of the embankment. So in solution, let us write given height or depth of the embankment of the cylinder of the well is 15 meter. For radius is r is equals to diameter half of the diameter. So diameter by 2. So what is the diameter? Diameter is given as 14. So 14 by 2. 2 1 za, 2 7 za is equals to 7 meters. Next, we have to find the volume. As we know the volume of the well or the cylinder, then the quantity of the volume of the soil, that will be equal to the embankment. Embankment is the platform which we are getting after placing the soil around the well. So let us write volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 into 7 square. That means 7 into 7, and h is 15. 7 cancel. So 22 into 7 into 15. Here I am not multiplying this. Why? Because we need to cancel this in next step. Height of the embank is equals to h. So we don't know the height of this embankment. So that's why we are taking that as h. Next, we are having two circles. One is a bigger circle and the other one is a smaller circle. So let us write inner radius. Inner radius will be radius of the well, that is 7 meter, and radius of the outer radius. So outer radius will be the inner radius plus inner radius plus the width of this embankment. So inner radius plus width of embank. So that will be capital R is equals to 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 meters. Area of the base of the embank is equals to outer circle minus inner circle. So outer circle will be pi r square minus pi small r square. Pi will be common. Capital R value is 14. 14 square minus 7 square. So it is in the form 22 by 7. 14 is a square minus b square. So 14 plus 7 into 14 minus 7. So 22 by 7 into 14 plus 7 is 21. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 cancel. 22 into 21. So this is the area of the base. Let us write volume. So volume of the M-bank is equals to volume of the well. That will be the cylinder. So we can write volume of the M-bank means base area into height. So base area is this one. So base area into height is equals to volume of the well is 22 into 7 into 15. That we have written in first step. Let us write base area. So 22 into 21 into height is h is equals to 22 into 7 into 15. So 22 cancel. Let us send this 21 to down. H is equals to 7 into 15 by 21. So 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 3 fives are is equals to h is equals to 5 meters.